This is Paul Singh, the market speculator, with the trade report for Thursday, December 31st, 2015. The last trading day of the year here. Pre-market futures set to open slightly down, under 0.5% here at 0.38. So nothing really significant yet. We'll see how the market trends today. Oil again down, but not quite as badly as yesterday at about 0.47 and 0.74. So this could reverse itself here. Let's look at the market and then our current positions here. SPY pulling back under the 200 and 50-day moving averages, but holding this hammer here, and the gap is still open. So we're watching for either a gap fill and maybe a bounce. If it doesn't hold that, that would be a negative to start the year, or a move back up here over the 50-day moving average. Let's look at current positions now. Oil, first of all, 12.30 is where we're at right now. The entry was at 13, so down about 70 cents. And the stop is going to be under this gap here. And the open gap is at 11.92. I'm going to have my stop somewhere in the 11.70 to 11.75 range. So we'll be watching that closely. Down about 0.5%. Probably won't open at that level, but we'll see where it goes from there. Netflix pulled back a little, still holding the 50-day. And remember, our stop is under the hammer here. We took a small enough position where you could use that kind of room there, and anywhere between 111 and 113, depending on your position size. PayPal pulling back a little bit. We're looking for that move to 38. The entry was around 35. We're at 36.48. Biotech still looking very strong. Nice pattern here. Remounted, put in that W and remounted. The 50-day moving average has held that level. Entry was around 68. We're up almost 5 points here, and we're looking for that next 5 before exiting. Facebook pulled back a little bit here, but holding that 50-day moving average a little above our entry level, and we're looking for a breakout of 110. Run is not in my trade report account. It is in my more aggressive account. I'm looking for a break of this level here, and then we could pull back down in the 10, maybe even the 9 range. Cyber strong yesterday. Consolidating, had that W formation here, now consolidating above the 50-day moving average, and we're looking for that push to 50. And finally, ROVI, we've got a small short position here. This is that parabolic short, negative here. Maybe we get that run back. Again, a very small position because this wasn't, a candle pattern like, say, run, where it was a inverted hammer here, and we got a really good indication of the pullback, but extended enough that we could take a shot here. So that's a recap of the positions we've got right now. In terms of, this is the last day of the year, then we've got 3 days to hold before Monday. I'd be inclined not to take a position, but if there was anything I was looking at, it would be Amazon here, where it broke out over the 380 level, and it looks like it's basing here now, getting ready to make a push for 700. But if it could pull back here, maybe around 380, I would look to enter Amazon, and that's really the only thing I'm really concerned with today for a possible entry. I was interested in Tesla. As you can see here, ramped up over the 200-day yesterday, and that poor close is not a positive here. And we talked about an entry at 240, but did not close where we wanted to close. Let's quickly look at a few other things. SCTY has looked pretty negative, but is holding that 200-day moving average after a really big run here, almost 100%. So one worth keeping an eye on. And Baidu actually watching for a breakdown of 200. Wouldn't short here, but if it breaks 200, that could be a possibility. And Baba here, right around its 50-day moving average. Let's see if it bounces from this level and we can get a move above 85. So that's it for the trade report. I will see you most likely over the weekend with a report for Monday. Everybody have a great New Year's Eve and Happy New Year.